is the world's largest democracy and one of the fastest growing nations. People of India. India is the world's most populous country with over 1.4 billion people. It is a youthful nation with more than half its population under the age of 30. India is home to countless ethnic groups, religions, and traditions. Hindu form the majority, followed by Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, and others. This diversity makes India not just a country, but a civilization in itself. Rites, traditions, and festivals in India. India is known for its colorful festivals and ancient traditions. Diwali, the festival of lights, Holi, the festival of colors, Eid, Christmas, Vaisakhi, Onam, and many others. Birth ceremonies, weddings, and harvest rituals vary across regions, but all are celebrated with joy and community spirit. For Indians, festivals are not just events, they are a way of life. Economy of India. India has one of the fastest growing economies in the world. It is the fifth largest economy by nominal GDP and third largest by purchasing power. Agriculture has been the backbone, producing rice, wheat, and spices. India is also a global hub for IT services, startups, and software development. Bollywood and the Indian film industry are also major contributors. With a rising middle class, India is becoming center for innovation, technology, and manufacturing. Language in India. India is land of language. The Constitution of India recognizes 22 official languages, with Hindi being the most spoken and English widely used in business and administration. Each state has its own linguistic identity, from Tamil and Telugu in south to Bengali in the east, Marathi and Gujarati in the west, and Punjabi and Kashmiri in the north. Language is more than communication here, it's part of identity, culture of India.